Welcome back to Amica review. So in today's video I will quickly guide you through Paxum, how to withdraw your money, how to verify your account, getting paid, withdrawing from Paxum to your withdrawal method of your choice, whether to your bank account, to your credit card, or to cryptocurrency such as USDT. So Paxum account, you might be working as a content creator or a publisher or an affiliate marketer. You are using, and the ad network you are working with, they are using Paxum as a payment method. So I want to guide you through how I overcome all the obstacles regarding Paxum account so you can make an informed decision. So I received payment from Adsterra, and I wanted to withdraw to my account but this Paxum account has so many obstacles that you must overcome before you be able to use this Paxum to withdraw to any withdrawal method of your choice. And also you need to be aware of that. You need to be aware that Paxum has some restrictions, and also they have high fees sometimes. So I received up to 67 USD from Adsterra, and they charged me 0.25 USD as a service charge for the transaction ID. So the payment is P2P fee via Adsterra. As you can see, they charge me over 25 cents, as you can see, 25 cents dollar. So how to withdraw? First of all, I want to guide you through how the verification process of Paxum account before you can withdraw. You need to be aware of that Paxum has so many restrictions. For example, before you can use this account, you must register with your real name and real address before you can be able to verify your account, because the verify process is very long. And also I have explained in a blog how I got my account verified, so I will put the link in the description of this video for you to read it. And how I got it verified, I want to summarize. Once I sign up, they asked me to verify my address, verify my ID, and they also asked me to specify what am I using, mention what I'm using. I'm going to use Paxum for. So I said I'm a content creator or publisher at Adsterra, and I got paid. I used to get paid from Adsterra, and I'm expecting payment from Adsterra. The reason I'm using Paxum is because the minimum withdrawal, the lowest minimum withdrawal on Adsterra is 5 USD, and others are over $100, which is a bit too high. So I have over 67 USD in my account. I wanted to withdraw that fast because I needed the money, and the alternative I have was Paxum. So once I created this account called Paxum account, I used my real name, and what I used to verify my account was my ID card, international passport. And then to verify my ID, I use my bank statement. I literally copied the address that is in my bank account, the house address in my bank account. I paste it on my Paxum address box. So the info, I put it in Paxum, and then Paxum asked me to verify my address via NEPA bill, bank statement, and so on. So I used bank statement, and then it was under final review. They asked me to mention what I'm going to use Paxum for. So under final review, it took approximately 8 days for my account to be approved, and my account was approved. And they sent me an email saying that congratulations, your account has been successfully verified, that I can start using the account. Also talking about their card, you can also use their card, but they charge over $3 or $2.95 on the card. The card is a bit too high. Their virtual card and and physical card. They are virtual card, as you can see. They have physical card and also virtual card, and they charge a bit too high on the two card. So I'm not going to use the card. I will just withdraw via my withdrawal method, maybe bank transfer. So let me guide you through on how to withdraw via Paxum. First of all, let's go under your dashboard. You click on transfer, you go to transfer funds. On transfer fund, there are 3 methods that you can use to withdraw. Local bank transfer, up to 5 business days in Nigeria. External card, you can withdraw to your Euro card, up to 2 business days. And also cryptocurrency, same day. USDC and USDT. This is the 3 methods you can use to withdraw your money, and accompanied by the fees. So if, for example, you try bank transfer, maybe you are in India or anywhere, or any part of the world, maybe you are in Ghana or any part of the world, you are anywhere. So you see, this is the conversion rate, the exchange rate of Paxum to withdraw. This is the exchange rate. It is $1, 1,487 naira. So it is a bit low compared to the parallel market. Also, their conversion rate to US to external card is also a bit low compared to the USDT. So to withdraw to bank transfer, it is up to 5 days. You just put your beneficial account. Once you click enter beneficial account, as you can see, you will enter your address line. You put your beneficial account. You just click on next. You put your account number, your bank SWIFT code, and you can also, I think you can also withdraw to your DOM account if you want, but I don't know whether it is working. You can also contact Paxum to confirm whether they accept payment via DOM account. So the money will go to your dollar account directly instead of you to send it to your Naira account. So this is how the method of bank transfer works. You put your account number and your bank SWIFT code. For the external card, you just enter, you click on enter card details. You put your card number. The card must be a credit card or a prepaid card. So prepaid dollar card, you can with, or Euro card, but Visa or Mastercard card, you put it and you click on next step. So this is how to withdraw via bank transfer and external card. So withdrawing via cryptocurrency is what I'm going to use. I am going to move D66 USD you see in this account to my USD account. So it's what I'm going to do. You just click on crypto, as you can see. You select, I'm going to use USDT. So USDT, I'm going to use TRC20 or Tron to withdraw. So I've already copied my wallet address. So I want to input the amount I'm going to withdraw. Let's say 65.40 USD. For example, 65.40. So I'm withdrawing it now. Click it. So they said I should select my wallet account. So I put TRC20, which is Tron. I will paste my address. This is my address, and you can see they said is everything looks good. Everything looks good. So I'm going to click on withdraw. So I'm going to click on withdraw to withdraw to my account, as you can see, and everything looks good now. I click on. So this is what they said, and the exchange rate. So I think it is too high. As you can see, they charge a bit too high. They also charge additional fee of 5 USD. So we have to lower the amount I'm going to use to withdraw. So I thought their fee was high, but they also charge me additional fee. So the disadvantage of Paxum is because they have so many high fees. They charge too much on Paxum. So I'm not even going to recommend it because their fees is too high. So if you are using Adsterra to withdraw your money, you can wait to reach $100, or if you want to continue using this Adsterra but their fees, or Paxum, I mean, their fees is too high. So you see how much they are charging me to withdraw this account. So they are charging over $5. Maybe the bank transfer method is better, but I'm still thinking about that. So maybe I'm going to withdraw it, at least I'm going to try. So what we are going to do is to use a lower amount. Let's put like 59. So I'm going to try 59. So 59. So I think I put 59 USD. Transfer 5 USD. The total is 65 USD because of 5 USD as a transaction fee. So I'm going to put 58. So 58 transfer into my Paxum account. So they want me to confirm it on my phone number. So I'm going to, on my phone, I'm going to confirm the confirmation first. I'm going to confirm me 58 USD. So I have confirmed it. As you can see, they say your transfer has been initiated. USDT transfer will be credited to your wallet shortly. So the amount has been confirmed, as you can see on the payment, but it is really not worth it. So maybe next time I'm going to try to withdraw via bank transfer using a DOM account, because they charge over 5 USD just to withdraw 65. It is too high. As you can see, they are charging too many fees. Their fee is too high. So this 5 USD, it is a lot of money, as you can see. So this recent activity, I've withdrawn to my USD account. The money should be in my account by now, but it is truly not worth it because their fees is too high. So maybe next time I'm going to use bank transfer to their fees. It is also 5 USD, as you see. They are putting transaction fee here. So to withdraw, to transfer, everything is almost 5 USD. Even they have exchange rate and also transaction fees. So this is how to withdraw to your with the preferred method. Whereas on the external card, which is the highest fees, the transaction fee is 15 USD, too high. So Paxum is really not worth it when you are trying to withdraw your money, except the money is higher than something like 100,000 or $1,000. But at this little amount, Paxum is too bad. So I can never recommend you to use Paxum to withdraw. So they charge me over 5 USD just to withdraw to my USDT account. So all the money, they really cut it short, as you can see. So there is 2 USD in the account remain now. So on the next video, maybe I'm going to try to withdraw via bank transfer, but it is not worth it because all the fees is 5 USD and the card is 15 USD. So this is the disadvantage of using Paxum. In addition, with their high difficult verification process, they also charge too many fees. So this is why most users are angry with them. As you see on their fees account, this is their terms and conditions regarding how much they charge per transactions. As you can see, Paxum is not recommended. So in my next video, I'm going to talk about this affiliate program. Temu affiliate program, earn up to $100,000, as I said. So kindly subscribe. To those that have joined my membership plans, you might have early access to this tutorial I'm going to drop next. So I'm going to talk about Temu. So kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon. In conclusion, you know that Paxum, this is how to withdraw and everything, but it is truly not worth it because of their fees. They charge too many fees. Their fee is too high. So thank you for watching.